What we're going to do here next is we're going to be putting the camshaft back in. Before putting the camshaft back in, we've got to put the tappets in. These are the little inserts, I guess, that the rods go in from the top, but we got to get these in before we can put the camshaft in. So as the next step, we're going to put a little oil on a rag. Isaac, would you please hold this? Here, hold it. Don't lose those. Gabe, come down here. Down a little bit. Down here. Alright, there you go. Now, get one and just rub a little oil on them. Okay, they don't have to be real thick in oil, Gabe, but that's fine. And you can start sticking them in. It should slide
pretty easily
all the way in. Yeah, good job, buddy.
Oh, wow. So soaking honey.
You getting it?
Put one in. Got it. Put one in. Sorry, Dad.
Yeah, I can put one in. There's 8 of them.
Oh, where's the one? Yep, Claire, you can help. No, okay. No. Just wait.
All right. No, come around, Clara. You're gonna do it. Come around here. Gabe, can you let her behind you? Clara, come here. You gotta come here.
Make
Here.
sure we're doing it
Tiana,
right.
hand her. Clara, look. We're gonna put this in like this. Look.
Put it in that hole.
Can you see?
Can you put this in, please?
Good job. Good job. All right, you just have a couple more to go.
Look, he needs to do that, guy.
Yeah, just a minute, Clara.
He won't slide in.
I'm gonna slide in very easily.
Oh, wait.
Here, Claire. Yep, I'll do that one. No. That one has oil.
Gabriel.
It's okay. Just wipe your hands off.
Put it in there. Put it in there.
Good job, Clara.
All
All right.
Okay, so that step's completed. Just a
All right, Gabe, come here. Put that rag,
You
please.
did it. You did it.
Can you wipe Claire's hands off, please, with the rag?
Oh,
Gabe?
Diana.
That's
right.
Here, oops.
So we're going to just do a real quick wipe down on this. This is the camshaft. There's 3 bearing surfaces on this camshaft. There is no actual bearing inserts. The bearings just ride on the inside of the block, actually. So they ride on the back here and then on the front. And so when you do this, there is at the back here, there's a cap. You can kind of see it from the inside where this sits.
Oh, see the
Right in here. And this camshaft is just going to slide through. So if you want to come around, you can see. And it's a little finicky getting it to line up.
Look up,
but
kids. Look up. Look up, guys.
if all these, you gotta make sure all your
Oopsies.
tappets are in.
Probably should have said oopsies. Because we could.
And then you gotta kind of lift as it goes through. You gotta get past the pump, crank, and then you get it seated all the way at the back. And there that camshaft's seated. In here, to put the camshaft in, there are 2 holes. There's a flange on the back of the camshaft. To line it up, you really have to actually put the bolts in through the holes in the camshaft gear. So we've got these two bolts. First one's going to go in. Gabe, if you want to grab your ratchet.
Oh, I'll grab my ratchet. That's fine. Ratchet. Is it actually yours? Yeah.
We can just start that. And just spin this down. There's a lock washer on these. Here you go, Isaac. Go ahead. You want a deep well on it, you can't get a wrench on it. Good. And then you turn the camshaft to line up with the other one.
You got one, you put the next one. I'll ratchet it.
You could ask Gianna if she wants to.
No, you?
I think we tighten the top one just a touch tight at first. I think you gotta have a little bit of space to get this thing to move to line it up. There it goes. If you torque it all the way down, it doesn't go in all the way. You did this last one.
I can do the last one.
Gianna, can you go get her ball? It's in the garage. Oh, there it is.
Here, Isaac, could you hold that? Get this thing lined up.
Come inside here.
All right, so that is it. We got the bolts tightened on both sides.
I'll take your heads in the way.
You got a bolt there, another bolt there. You just tighten them through the holes in the camshaft gear. So it's that simple.
Thanks for watching Ross Tractors. Click like and subscribe. Thank you.